Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Jay's workshop. What I'm going to be doing today is fitting this induction pipe, silicone pipe, replacing it for this rubbish one in here. What you've got to do is pop off these clips. They're kind of like one-time clips, so you normally just shove a screwdriver in there and pop it out. So I managed to get that one out. I managed to pop this one off, but this little one here has been a bit difficult. Kind of managed to take it off, but not fully, still stuck on. I'm still holding on to something. Okay. And here. So. Got the new pipe on. Right, let me explain it to you because I was one-handed. I couldn't show you bit by bit. So I had to slide the main turbo sleeve on first. The gloves are ripped. And then, actually that's a lie. I slided the pipe that comes from here. I tightened that one up first, which is back there. Around there, that one. Then I slided the turbo pipe on, and at the end I'll just put these two on. But this metal aluminium piping that it comes with, I couldn't push it anymore in, so it looks a bit silly hanging out. So I just put a cable tie. I know it's a bodge job, but just to hold it, but hopefully it'll do the job. And the same with here, the clips that I ordered, the forge clips, they're actually a bit bigger than the TMC ones. So I had to just cable tie that little pipe there as well. So I'm just gonna start it up now. Keys. Fine. That's the old one, it's made out of some crappy material. It looks a lot better as well. Hopefully form better as well. But yeah, thanks for watching guys.